What's up YouTube? Internet Income Ninja here with another video, and I hope you guys are doing well. This one is going to prove to be very beneficial to you if you are studying from home during this lockdown period, or any period in the future, to be for that matter rather. If you like the content I share on this channel or in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more ways you can earn money online, and share this content with your friends and family. Maybe they can find something on here that they could try to earn money from home. Alright guys, enough said. As you can see, today we're going to share with you about a website called Studypool. Studypool is an online platform where micro tutoring happens. Tutoring has been around for a long time, and usually this is done in person, but this particular form of tutoring happens via the internet, and you can tutor based on certain specialties. Now, if you're a college student who's out of school, or a teacher or professor or lecturer or anything along those lines, or if you're a specialist in a certain field, then this website could be for you. Here, well, let's just give you a brief background. What is done on this site is students or people who have problems with certain topics, they'll post their question on the website. They'll then select a tutor. So based on your question and the subject that you're doing, they'll recommend a tutor that's perfect for the question, and then you choose the one that you want. People have a thing for selecting someone who seems more friendly, or seems more approachable. So you could look at their profile pictures, you could read about the tutors, see what their specialties are, stuff that they've done before, things like that, and you can make your choice. Right? Then once you select your tutor, you would pay for that tutor to answer the question or tackle whatever problem that you have. And then, you'll actually get the tutor to work on the problem, and then when the tutor completes the job, so in this case, if you sign up to be a tutor, when you complete the job, then you're paid at the end. Okay? So, video tutoring is also available, right? So you can actually have video chat. There are tools that their website has that you can use to tutor people. So if you're doing math, for example, there's this interface where you can add symbols, especially if it's higher level math, where you have these weird, funky symbols that mean some higher function or whatever, not just your typical everyday plus minus division signs. Then those things are there. There are aids that you can use to explain problems to people in a very creative manner. So all that is on their website, in their platform. Okay, now some of the popular subjects, and these are just the overall subjects, are business, computer science, history, writing, health and medical, accounting, management, math, business law, economics, psychology, English. Right? And if you scroll to the top, it will actually give you a breakdown of what some of these subject matters teach. So under business, for example, there's accounting, there's business law, communications, management, Excel, economics, e-commerce, marketing, PowerPoint, social media marketing. Under math, for example, some of the more targeted topics that are discussed are algebra, arithmetic, calculus, general math, of course, graphs, geometry, probability, statistics, trigonometry. Under science, you have anatomy, biology, botany, chemistry, ecology, engineering, environmental science, genetics, geology, health and medical, zoology, science, physics, nutrition, nursing, so many, right? And I'm sure you can even get more specific if you're a writing fiend, you just love writing. There's, of course, accounting, application, art and design, biology, business, chemistry, computer science. And you're wondering, how could writing fall in line with chemistry? Well, I mean, a lot of people have labs, laboratory experiments that they do, and they need help putting the lab together to be convincing, to prove to the lecturer or teacher that they indeed know what they're talking about, and they need help. And then they would call you, and you, not call you, but they would select you to help them, and you would do so and make bank, right? So this site actually has books that they recommend to help people through whatever situation they're in. maybe they're feeling a bit low and whatever, you can buy books like Girl Wash Your Face. There's a ton of resources on here that you could get. I mean, Thinking Fast and Slow is a very popular book out there right now. It's just an overall great site, guys. There's testimonials from people. Grace here says, I started using Studypool after a friend recommended it to me. It's perfect for those times when I'm stuck on something and need quick help. I can always find a tutor regardless of what time of day it is. And she's right, because in Studypool, they advertise that you can find a tutor 24/7 on demand, right there, 24/7. So you're stuck, you need help, you can find a tutor on here. That tutor could be you. So if you want to become a tutor, you can click tutor, or become a tutor rather, and it says that you can earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home tutoring students. You click apply now, and when you click apply, there's a selection process that you go through. They're going to ask you some questions about yourself, about why you want to do this, similar to an interview, and you just answer them. And then they'll actually ask you to write an essay about a particular topic that they'll suggest. So they'll suggest several topics, and then they'll ask you to pick one and write an essay. Now, this essay should not have any errors. They're going to ask you to use certain symbols. They're going to ask you to quote people so that you can show that you have a good command of a wide knowledge base. You're competent as a tutor to be able to teach people. They don't want people teaching people who don't know what they're doing or who are capable of making mistakes. People are human, you do make mistakes, yes. But they want people who are so confident and so good at what they do that the number of mistakes would be very few. So that essay will be done, and they'll ask you to take a picture of yourself and a national ID and send it to them and some other information. And once it's submitted, they will go through, check your essay, check your questions, check your information to make sure everything is congruent with each other. And all being well, you'll be successful and you'll be hired as a tutor. And you'll be on your way to earning at least, well, says you can earn up to $7,500 per month. A lot of people aren't even earning that in 2 months. Plus, you can do this from home in your time. You set your own hours. Isn't that amazing? Right? There's a video that explains how this works. There's tutors from the Philippines, from Jamaica, from Africa, from anywhere in the world. Right? It says here that they have the lowest service fees, reliable income, full freedom and flexibility. The number one, these are some of the questions that have been posted recently. Triangle congruence theorems. This person paid $16 for that. Anthropology, name that fossil for $25. Module 1 problem sets, and that falls under Excel and economics. The red badge of courage, 13 questions, $45 they paid. And so far, Henry Professor is the leading earner with $431,000. Now, I don't know if that was for the year or a lifetime, but I mean, come on. If you can get some of this cash, why not, right? So these are some of the people who have been tutors so far, and they're sharing their experiences. And they have a list of some popular countries that people become tutors from, right? And guys, it's an overall site. I've been on it, and I'm recommending it to you. It's worth a try. All the best with your application process. But in my opinion, at the end of the day, this is great to get started, but my dream is to earn money while I'm sleeping. My dream is to have a business set up for myself so that I can have money to do the things I really want to do. I want to be able to spend my time doing what I want to do. If spending your time tutoring is what you want to do, that's great. I want to be doing other things like traveling and spending time with my family and finding out interesting stuff. I love learning, and I'd love to be able to take courses and learn things that I can use to help myself. And as a result, I've come across some systems that have helped me build businesses. Now, these systems were created by real people like you and myself. These systems have helped thousands of people create several figures, up to 6 figures, 7 figures income, where they are able to, with the right amount of work, set up a business online that they could be earning money even when they're sleeping, even when they're out driving, even when you're using the bathroom. If there's an emergency, they're out with them handling that situation, they're still earning money. Guys, this is the future. The days of exchanging your time for money should be over, but many people have chosen not to take that route. Make the smart decision. Earn enough money to buy back your time. Click the links below and see these systems for yourself. Some of these systems start for as low as $9. Right? Just check them out. If it's for you, great. If it's not, fine. There will be landing pages where you'll enter your name and email address. Well, it's not a spammy thing. It's just so that we can update you on future endeavors, future ventures that you may be interested in. So when you enter your your name and email address, we can send things in the mail to you in the future. Not spam emails every single day, but we'll send you stuff that we think is beneficial to you. So guys, that's it. I hope you click those links and find a way to build your financial freedom. So guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja, here with the aim to help you build your financial freedom as well. Check Studypool out. I'll leave a link below. It's studypool.com. If you like that, great. If you don't and you want to try the other links that I've sent, great. There are also some books, links to books that you could read to change your mindset about earning money, and check those out. Guys, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, share, subscribe for content regularly, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe.